everyone, I am Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts, where I share everything I know, everything I've learned over the years. And in this tutorial, in this stitch pattern, I would like to share with you something very easy, special and really beautiful. Look at this pattern. It's so beautiful, and it's both sided, so the same sided effect, so you get the front looking the same and the back looking the same, absolutely the same. And all you need to remember is to do 3 actions in this pattern, and all you need to do is repeat those 3 basic actions, and you will end up having a beautiful pattern, a beautiful stitch like this. I'm using needles number 5, and I have casted on 19 stitches, and it's perfect for this stitch, for this pattern. And don't forget to put a marker to show you, so that you don't get confused where is the front and where is the back of the work. I always do it on the front, on the right side. So I knit with acrylic yarn, and this pattern looks quite nice with this yarn, with this color, so I hope you're going to understand and like it. Put the likes and subscribe please, and let's begin this wonderful vibe, wonderful pattern stitch for the summer, which I've prepared for you. This is definitely a stitch for the summer. It's so airy. I mean, look how pretty it is, like so. Wow, I've never seen such a pattern anyone doing it. So I'm probably the first one showing you on YouTube, but I hope you're going to use it for your beautiful things that you make for the summer. So I wish you luck in your projects. Now let me show you how I've done it. So let's begin. So the first loop we do not knit, we just transfer it onto the right needle. Then now what we need is the next loop with a front stitch, but you do not knit it like so, like the usual way, like so, but you knit it from this side, so from the front side, this loop, you see. So it's the front knit, then you do yarn over, then you have 2 stitches here to consider. So you take the right needle and you pick up 2 loops from left to right, and you knit them with a front stitch. And this is basically everything you need in this pattern, and all you need to do now is repeat. So we do front stitch, then yarn over, 2 together as a front stitch, and we should hold it nicely so it doesn't slip. So front stitch first, then yarn over, we hold it, and then 2 together as a front stitch. So now front stitch, yarn over, and 2, as you can see, not like this, like the usual knit stitch, like so, but this way, 2 together. So 1 front stitch, yarn over, 2 together, front stitch, yarn over, 2 together, and the last loop we always, and the last loop we knit it with a purl, like so. Turn the work, and what we do, we repeat again 3 steps like we've done in the beginning. So which means on the back, on the wrong side, you knit the same way with these 3 steps. So you do not knit the first loop, you just pass it on to front needle. So now we knit this first loop, then we do yarn over, and then 2 loops together with a front stitch, as a front stitch, like so. So front stitch, yarn over, 2 together as a front stitch, front stitch, yarn over, 2 together. As you can see, this pattern is easy to do even for beginners, so don't be shy, don't shy away from this pattern, because it's absolutely simple, easy and quick to make, and the results will be just fantastic. So we've done 2 rows, and that's how it looks now, like this. And it's very light, it's very pretty, it's very airy. This is the back, the wrong side, this is the front. Look how pretty it is. So I wish you luck in knitting this pattern, this stitch. Please leave comments below underneath this video, and tell me what will you use this stitch for, and whether you like it or not, and what else would you like me to do on my channel for you. And I wish you luck in your projects when you are knitting this. Please don't forget to subscribe and put likes, and see you soon in my next video, and sending much love. Bye. Thank you for being here.